So the high cost of living is just one reason more Canadians are choosing to live abroad. There's a spike in the number of people making a move. CTV's Kamal Karmali tells us which countries have the biggest Canadian expat populations and what challenges they face when they move.
More and more Canadians are waving goodbye to their homeland.
For the size of our population, there's a huge amount of Canadians kind of no matter where I go.
And moving abroad, uprooting for reasons including housing and healthcare.
I've been priced out of my own country. And on top of that, the waits for services, for example, especially medical services, is really, really pathetic.
The latest data estimates around 4 million Canadians live abroad, roughly 11% of the country's population. That number a huge increase, a 36% jump from the number of Canadians who lived elsewhere in 1990. More than 1 million Canadians, that's over 1/3, live in the U.S. with 300,000 in Hong Kong and more than 70,000 in the United Kingdom.
It's much more difficult to climb up in Canada than it is in the United States.
Greg Luz moved to California and hasn't looked back. Do you feel forgotten?
Yeah. And I wasn't really worried about it. It didn't affect me in any way. But again, there's no two-way connection.
The report from McGill Institute for the Study of Canada says Canadians abroad have received little attention, from consular services to healthcare, taxation, and community building. The diaspora has been largely left to its own devices.
Canadian posts overseas need to upgrade their services. They need to put more staff in there.
But others argue the onus is on the individual.
You would almost expect that expatriates should have some responsibility. They should be able to check the Ontario website for healthcare coverage, for example.
Some experts now predicting the housing and health crises will continue to push Canadians to other countries if change doesn't happen soon.